The LG ThinQ AI refrigerator, expected in 2024, uses artificial intelligence to track food inventory and suggest recipes. With ThinQ technology, this smart refrigerator is designed to help keep your kitchen and life organized, even when you're away from home. Featuring Amazon Alexa, you can control the fridge with voice commands to create shopping lists, play music, check the weather, update your calendar, and more. It also works with Google Assistant, adding versatility to its smart functions.